Yesterday, we drew a line in the sand. You made a conscious choice to stop being a passive observer and start being a commander of your claim. Today is when we start gathering the ammunition. Today's mission is arguably the most critical and the most overlooked step in the entire VA claims process. This is a reconnaissance phase. You would never go on a mission without intelligence, and you will not enter this battle with the VA without a comprehensive target list. Why is this so important? Because for years, we've been conditioned to suck it up. We minimized our pain. We forgot the details of the incidents that happened 10, 20, or even 30 years ago. Most veterans are fighting blind, and it's costing them. They claim the apparent shrapnel wound or the broken bone from the training accident. Still, they miss the entire 5 or 6 secondary conditions that branch off from it. The nerve pain, radiculopathy, shooting down their leg, the change in the walk that now causes debilitating back and hip problems, insomnia and depression that come from living with chronic pain. They miss how their diagnosed PTSD could be the legal link to their sleep apnea or acid reflux. They're leaving life-changing money and a massive chunk of their rightful rating on the table. Not you, not anymore. After today, you'll be armed with the complete inventory of every single condition for which the VA owes you compensation. You will have clarity. Inside this module, I'm going to teach you the robust process to build your master list of claims. The disability brainstorming worksheet. First, I'm giving you the downloadable worksheet. This is your mission brief. Think of it as a brain dump. Your only job is to get everything out of your head into your paper. Every ache, every pain, every nagging memory, every stressful event. Don't filter it. Don't judge if it's claimable yet. We need the raw intel. Next, I'll show you how to take that raw intel and start connecting the dots like a claims expert. We'll talk about the domino effect of secondary conditions. You'll learn how the single ankle injury from basic training could be the key that unlocks your other claims that the VA would never point out to you. This is how you can increase your rating from 10 to 70% or higher, often through a single exceptional service event. Your AI brainstorming partner. Finally, we bring the heavy artillery. You will see precisely how to leverage our secret AI weapon as your brainstorming partner. It'll provide you with the structured list of potential primary and secondary conditions in the exact language the VA understands, ensuring that we leave no stone unturned. By the end of this lesson, you will have your definitive list, your master targeting list. This is the very foundation upon your 100% rating will be built. Are you ready to discover what you're truly entitled? Let's go to work.